This little exercise using Google Sheets is just going to show you the power of a database to store information, and then for you as a database user to be able to pull out just the information you need depending on what your requirements are. So just follow the directions. Start at the top, enter the data for all your classes. I already entered these guys in here. Then it says drag to select B1 through D10. So B1, cell B1 through D10. This is really just the data area. And go to the data menu and create a filter. So if you notice, you get drop downs next to these are the headers, or these would be in a database. These would be the fields. So this information together relates to one thing. This relates to your math class, your history class, but each of these are the fields. So these would be the records, and these would be the fields. So on the drop-down arrow next to the teacher's last name, you're going to click Sort A to Z. Sort A to Z. And then you'll notice that the entire section, everything sorts together in alphabetical order by your teacher's last name, which is really handy if you need to see if there's duplicates or you know, whatever. It's usually a good idea to sort things alphabetically. And you could have sorted any of these things alphabetically. Okay, so notice that the whole thing sorts together. Now, next thing as far as filtering goes, we're going to use the drop-down arrow next to the floor column, and we want to display only those classes that are on the second floor. So you would click clear here, and then this too, because that's the second floor. Click OK, and you can see that these are the only two classes on the second floor. All right, so to remove the filter, you can go right back to the data menu and say remove filter, and it goes back the way it was, but of course it's still sorted by teacher name. There's really no way to go back to the way it was entered, but I don't know why you would need to. Anyway, that's just a little taste of what a database is like, and you could use this for record collections, for recipes, for poems, for really anything that you need to keep track of and then might need to find later. So when you're done with this exercise, just make sure that you share it with me. Just click share, you know how to do this, and just add my email in there. Thanks.